Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find either Google section or users and accounts. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And here we have to tap on add account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Okay, not now in my case. Just be patient, it may take a while. Okay, so here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course we can also remove it whenever we want to. Just tap on the account, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and remove account. Tap on remove account, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.